Hello and welcome to the Alimony summary lesson. Make sure you also watch the Alimony detailed lesson for a more detailed discussion of all alimony points, so you get every alimony point on the CPA exam, get extra points, and pass the exam. So let's talk about alimony. Alimony is always tested on the CPA exam. It relates to multiple areas, primarily gross income, adjustments, and child support. Starting with gross income, alimony received is gross income to the person receiving it. At the same time, alimony paid is an adjustment to the person who pays it. And child support is conflated with alimony quite a bit. So, in order for alimony to be considered alimony, the requirements for alimony are the following rules must be met. Alimony must be paid in cash. Property payments are not alimony. Alimony must be paid pursuant to a written divorce or separation instrument. Alimony cannot be paid to someone living in the same household with the payor. Alimony cannot be paid to a spouse with whom the taxpayer is filing a joint return. Alimony cannot be designated as anything other than alimony, for example, child support. Finally, alimony terminates at the death of the recipient. If you know these rules, you know the most important aspects of alimony. Let's go through them again. Alimony must be paid in cash. Property payments are not alimony. Alimony must be paid pursuant to a written divorce or separation instrument. Alimony cannot be paid to someone living in the same household. Alimony cannot be paid to a spouse with whom the taxpayer is filing a joint return. Alimony cannot be designated as anything other than alimony, for example, child support. Alimony terminates at the death of the recipient. So now you know the most important rules of alimony. Let's cover a few final alimony points. Child support. The testers frequently, always try to conflate alimony with child support. Remember that child support and alimony are independent and mutually exclusive. Child support payments are not gross income, they're excluded. And child support payments are not adjustable to the person paying them. Ambiguous payments. If payments are being made that could be either alimony or child support, the law deems that child support, the payments will be considered child support up to the required amount before any alimony is paid. For example, if a man is required to pay child support of $100 per month, plus alimony of $100 per month, total $200 per month, or $2,400 per year, but he pays only $1,500 total for the entire year, then $1,200 of that, which is required annual child support amount, is considered child support, and only $300 is alimony. Same example, if he pays only $1,000 for the year, then all $1,000 is child support and none is alimony. Final alimony facts. Money paid directly to a school for tuition for the child can qualify as either child support or alimony or both. Tricky wording. If a divorce decree says that the alimony payment will be reduced by 20% when the child turns 18, then that 20% was never really alimony. It was always child support. Now you've completed the summary lesson for alimony. Make sure you watch the detailed alimony lesson, and you will know everything you need to know about alimony for the test, and you'll get extra points. Great job, and see you in the next lesson.